So this was completely unexpected. Like, I didn't even predict this at all. I took in the advice, I was humble as possible, and I really appreciated this guy's opinion. What is it exactly I'm talking about? Well, you're about to find that right now.
Who wants to go next?
I'll go next.
Ionak, let's go.
Okay.
All right, I'll open up your video. Oh, this is your... Oh, dude. This is going to be a good one.
$1,000 in collectibles, and I'm talking about sports cards and comic books.
I mean, yeah, you're going to win.
Hype that's going on right now.
I was hooked right in the start. Did you guys feel you were hooked right in the start?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the best way to
Awesome.
support this show.
And what type of roast are you looking for, bro?
Harsh as possible. I'm really just trying to like improve as quickly as I can. That could possibly help me grow faster is what I'm asking for.
Can I say something
Sure.
about like the channel?
Yes.
I honestly, from the look of it, think it's a pretty good channel, and his video would be like, if I was to watch it, it'd be very entertaining to watch. I think he's doing a really great job.
Yes.
Thank
so
you.
I'm going to
Yeah.
continue off of that. Ionak, your biggest problem here is you made 2 fucking videos. You're like one of those channels that's gonna blow the fuck up. You're one of those channels. Improve your video quality. Outside of that, dude, you are gonna kill it. You just have to keep going. There's no marketing tactic, there's no strategy, there's no hack, there's no YouTube ad thing that I'm gonna tell you that's gonna... You have to just go. You have to keep going. The way you actually grow on a platform is if you make good content for the platform that by itself keeps growing. If your shit is dependent on you having to go to Facebook groups to promote it, it's never gonna fucking grow. The magic 70 rule, most important rule that has helped me and is with guaranteed results. I have had this rule for not just for myself and people, even my clients, that help them grow to like over hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and they've done millions of dollars of revenue and started from complete zero, had them be successful and me be successful. And I'm gonna say it in a harsh way, but this is just how my brain thinks. Shut the fuck up for 70 videos. For 70 videos, just shut the fuck up and do the actual work. About 70 videos in is where you'll start seeing breakthroughs. It might happen earlier. I don't look at success. When I look at people's channels, I'm not looking at, do you have 71 views? Do you have 150 views? I'm like, did this person produce 70 videos? If you set a goal like subscribers or viewers, it's so random, it's not in your control. You're just bound to be unhappy. Set goals in terms of your process, set goals in terms of quantity, and then hit those goals, and you will fucking dominate. In the month of November, how many more videos are you gonna produce?
I'm planning on doing at least 1 video a week.
If you sucked at videos, I would tell you just do your other job as much as you can and do this within a very limited amount of time. You're fucking killer at videos. Now, I'm not saying this to blow smoke up your ass or whatever, and I also don't want you to just listen to it and just be like, oh, now I'm not gonna do anything with it. You need to lean into this as hard as fuck. It's gonna happen. Like, I'm not trying to motivate you. I know that this is gonna happen because I see your channel and it's actually good videos, good thumbnails, the videos dialed in. Give up the short-term cash for a little bit. This will be the fastest explosion to your revenue goals or whatever goals you have. And every single other fucking second, I want you to just put into this.
100%.
You're so close to blowing up, you don't even know it. But just like go into this hard as fuck, dude.
So yeah, completely unexpected. Did not even expect any of these positive responses. I was more surprised than anything or not. This video wasn't even planned, by the way. I was planning on doing a different video that's coming out next week. I promised myself during that live stream as well, 52 videos, that's the goal for this whole year. Basically starting today to the next year of November. I'm here to give you guys as much value as possible. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next video.